In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a self-hosted GitHub runner in just 5 minutes. Setting up a self-hosted runner can provide you with more control and flexibility over your workflows and is a preferred choice for many developers who require customized environments for continuous integration or other GitHub Actions tasks. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to head over to GitHub's website. Open your preferred web browser and go to github.com. This is where it all begins. Ensure you're using a secure and up-to-date browser for a seamless experience. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your GitHub account. Find the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the web page, and click it. Enter your credentials, and with a successful login, you'll be directed to your GitHub dashboard. Now that you're in your GitHub dashboard, our next move is towards customization settings. Look towards the upper right area or your profile icon where you can access account specific settings. You're going to click on the settings option. This action will take you to a new page where a whole suite of configurations is ready for you to explore. Once in the settings, direct your attention to the sidebar to your left and look for the actions menu. Give it a click. It's here that GitHub allows you to manage permissions and other action specific settings within your repositories. In this area, look for the option labeled Runners. Click on this to delve into the world of self-hosted runners. You are getting closer now, you just need to initiate the process of creating a new runner. In the Runners section, you should see an option to create a new self-hosted runner. Click on it, and this action starts the setup process. During the setup, you'll be able to choose and configure various aspects of your runner, such as its operating system, capacity, and other specifications that align with your project requirements. As you click through these settings, GitHub will guide you with on-screen instructions. Make sure to follow them carefully to download and set up the runner on your local machine or server. Remember, the self-hosted runner downloads and runs on your local system, so ensure that the machine meets the necessary prerequisites like internet connectivity, suitable OS, and permissions. Congratulations! You've now successfully initiated the setup of a self-hosted GitHub runner. This action will allow you to control your continuous integration processes in a more flexible and customizable environment. Make sure to test your configuration in different scenarios to gain familiarity. Thanks for watching, happy coding,